Good morning, good morning. I have this Matchbox Garbage King Plow Master 6000 and the new recolor of the 2018 Dodge Charger in black. Okay, let's open them up. I didn't really collect this casting, but it's new for 2023. Pretty nice. I'm gonna give this away for donation. Awesome. Next one is the Plowmaster 6000. Nice. Donation. There we go. I like this. I really collect this casting. Awesome. Details in the back, front details, nice. Front details, rear details, awesome. Gray interior, plastic base, plastic wheels. Awesome. Thank you, Fabian.